Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Shuma and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about this beautiful bridal makeup look, and if you like my hairstyle then see the video engagement hairstyle. The link will be given to the description box and first comment. Now let's start today's video. Starting with priming my face with the W7 Perfection Pore Minimizer Primer. And I'm applying it, targeting the area where I have pore problem on my cheeks and on my T-zone. After that, I'm blending it all over my face. For foundation, today I'm using Kryolan Paint Stick and Pancake Makeup. This is the Kryolan Paint Stick, and in Paint Stick my shade is 2W. First, I'm going to apply this paint stick all over my face. This is the Kryolan TV paint stick. After that, I'm blending it with a Zoeva brush. This is Zoeva 103 brush. If you want, you can blend it with your hand. I'm applying this paint stick with my finger and on my eye area. It's better if you blend your eye area with your finger. This paint stick is so thick, so you have to blend it very well. After that, to set this paint stick, I'm using Rimmel Matte Press Powder and my shade is Transparent 001. I'm applying it with a powder brush. After that, now I'm going to use Kryolan TV Pancake and my shade is FS38. This is the new packaging of Kryolan TV Pancake. This is how it's look inside of packaging. With this damp sponge, I'm going to apply this pancake all over my face. You can see it's a damp beauty blender. First, I'm applying it, dabbing all over my face. Don't rub it. First, apply it, dabbing motion all over your face, and after that wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Then you have to blend it well. Don't forget to apply it on your ears and neck. After 1 minute, now I'm blending it with a soft hand. Don't rub it too harsh. To draw my eyebrow, today I'm using my eyebrow kit dark. First, I'm applying this cream on my eyebrow, and then I'm going to mix the brown and black and draw my eyebrow. And I'm using a angle brush from Zoeva. This kit have a brush, but I lost it, so I'm using this Zoeva brush. I'm also using a spoolie to draw my eyebrow. First, I'm applying this cream all over my eyebrow, and then I mix the brown shade with black, and then I'm drawing my eyebrow. I'm blending my eyebrow with this spoolie so that it look natural. That's it, my eyebrow draw is done. Now I'm going to do my second eyebrow same way. I draw my both eyebrow, and now I'm cleaning the eyebrow area and also my eyelid to apply eyeshadow. For eye makeup, today I'm using FACUAL eyeshadow palette Twilight. From this palette, I'm taking this off-white color, name it Camel, and I'm applying it with a Zoeva brush 234. I'm applying it on my brow bone area and all over my eyelid. after that I'm applying this soft brown color shade named Tangerine, and I'm applying it with the same Zoeva brush. I'm applying it first on my eye crease area, and after that I'm going to apply it outer corner of my eyelid and also on my lower lash line. Apply little by little and then blend it well. Now same way I'm applying eyeshadow on my another eyes. This is how it looks after applying the first eyeshadow. After that I'm using this red brown color named Amber, and I'm applying it on my outer corner of my eyelid. Just apply it on your outer corner of your eyelid and then blend it well. This is how it looks after applying this second eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply my third eyeshadow. Now with a pencil brush I'm applying this eyeshadow named Magic. It's a dark ashy type of color, and I'm applying it first on my outer corner of my eyelid. You have to apply it little by little. After applying it, now I'm blending it well so there is no harsh line. And again I'm going to apply it this black shadow named Magic. Now I'm going to apply it on my outer corner of my eyelid and also a little bit on my eye crease area, and then I'm going to blend it well. That's it. And now I'm going to use a metallic eyeshadow from the same palette. It's called Sun Ray. It's a beautiful shimmery metallic kind of eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it with my finger. It's better to apply this kind of eyeshadow with your finger, and I'm applying it only the half of my eyelid. After applying it, now I'm blending my crease area with the first brush. And with the same brush, now I'm taking the second eyeshadow named Amber, and I'm just diffusing the joint line. You can also use your finger to blend it. Now I'm again using the black kind of shadow named Magic. Same way I'm applying it. Now I'm going to apply a glitter eyeliner on my eyelid. This is a non-bend glitter eyeliner. It's a white gold color, and I'm applying it where I use my metallic eyeshadow. Look how beautiful it's looking. And I'm also applying it inner corner of my eyes. Let it dry. And for lining my eyes today, I'm using NYC liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is super black, and I'm going to draw a cat eyeliner. That's it. Same way I'm going to apply my other eyes. My both eyes are done, and now I'm applying Lakme Iconic Kajal on my tight line. Before applying Kajal on my lower lash line, I'm cleaning the lower lash line area, and then I'm applying Kajal on my lower lash line. Now I'm blending my Kajal with a black eyeshadow named Chili, and the brush I'm using is from Real Technique Essence brush. After that, I'm again applying that brown eyeshadow named Amber just below to this black eyeshadow. And I'm using the same brush, Essence brush. After that, I'm using a small brush and take the black eyeshadow, which name is Magic, and I'm applying it on my eye crease area and also outer corner of my eyelid. It will give my eyes a beautiful smoky effect. Next, I'm using Jacqueline White Kajal E24 White. Time for using mascara, and I'm using Jordana mascara. It's my favorite mascara. Before contouring my face, once again I'm applying my face powder all over my face. And for contouring my face, I'm using Minister Define and Contour Kits. And the brush I'm using is from Zoeva 109 Face Paint. With this brush, I'm contouring my cheeks, and then I'm contouring my jawline. If you have double chin, it will hide your double chin. And also I'm applying a little bit on my forehead. Now you have to blend it very well. I'm using that damp beauty blender to reducing the harshness of contouring. Just took a small amount of pancake on this beauty blender and then blend it. After that, I took a normal brush. It's a blush and brush, and then I'm blending my cheeks contouring. And after that, again with this beauty blender or sponge, I'm just diffusing the contouring harsh line. Next, I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using a Real Technique brush. You can use any kind of eyeshadow brush to contour your nose. After that, same way I'm just blending the contouring with the beauty blender. For blush on, I'm using a Revelation blush palette, Blush Goddess, and I took that a deep pink color shade for blush on. To highlighting my face, today I'm using Makeup Evolution Vivid Highlighter Golden Light. This is how it's look. It's a beautiful color, white golden color, and I'm using it on the highest point of my face. You can also use this highlighter on your brow bone area and also inner corner of your eyes. For lining my lips, I'm using Jacqueline Lip Liner L28 Red. And for lipstick, I'm using NIKKA Pencil Lipstick number 10. It's one of my favorite lipstick. It's a beautiful red color. After applying my lipstick, once again I'm going to draw my lips. My makeup is almost done. Now just I have to wear my false lashes. For falsie, I'm using this red cherry eyelashes. It's 100% human hair made. That's it. And now to fix this makeup all day long, now I'm using makeup fixing. It's from Makeup Revolution. Just spray it all over your face and then let it dry. My makeup is done. Look how pretty this makeup is looking. My makeup is done. Now I'm going to do my hair and I'll be right back. I did my hair and I'm now wearing my jewelry, and that's it. This is my final look. And if you like my hairstyle, then there is another video of my hairstyle named the engagement hairstyle. I will give the link below on my description box and also first comment. Please check it out. You can also see that video right now by clicking the eyeball right hand corner on the top of this video. Just click it and see the video. That's all for now. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then please give a like, and you can also show some love by subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.